Smashers!
Incoming message from Tooth Gnasher!
Tooth Gnasher? My arch rival. What does that fin fiend want?
Listen up, Chomp the Chump. Meet me on the sludge streets for a street race. Just me versus you. Shark versus Pooh. And you're the Pooh.
I got that.
Winner gets the other race's truck. Unless you dinosaurs really are chickens.
I'll be there, you snarky shark.
The slime pits can cause some slippery racing conditions.
If I want to get the edge on Tooth Gnasher, I'll need some upgrades. I know just a mechanic.
Chomp! You old fossil! What brings you to the sludge streets?
Looking for gear that can handle the goo.
You came to the right flop shop! I've got the muck to trick out your truck. First, you'll need terror treads. They'll give you traction when you're in action. Woo! And here's my favorite. I've attached the goopling hook. This slime slinger will latch a slime line to anything you shoot at it.
Thanks, Slimeball. I knew you were the glob for the job.
And here's your bill.
Oh, this is... Do you take truck books?
You just made that up, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't think you'd show. Now eat ocean, landlubber.
Tooth Gnasher's not racing fair. Surprise there.
Activate terror treads!
Whoa, way to cut through the goo.
Drat! How about a bump from my fin fenders?
He's going to try to push us off Swampy Swerve! It's PT Thunderbones! Look out!
Chomp, you're gonna be skid marks and I'm done with you.
We're headed right for Swampy Swerve!
We're both gonna crash!
Activate the goopling hook. Fire! Yeah, we did it.
Your truck ought to cover Chomp's bill, unless you want to buy it back.
Do you take truck bucks?
Now,
Smashers!
We now return to 600 Minutes. The boring grown-up news show that feels like it's 600 minutes long.
Who interrupted my show?
I'm Mo, Dino Island's most crafty creature. And this is my show, DIY-nosaur. If you're feeling bored, no need to snore. We have life hacks galore on DIY-nosaur.
Great job, Mo. Your Smash Talk channel is gonna be a hit.
Excuse me? What are you two doing in my lab?
Oh, we're filming Mo's Life Hack Smash Talk channel. And action.
We're here in Dr. Treehorn's lab to help the doctor turn this lousy laboratory into a DIY dino dojo.
No, you're not.
Oh, come on. It's good for the Microsmashers to express their creativity constructively.
But I just rebuilt everything from the last episode.
First thing we'll need to do, take out this wall so we have more room to practice our moves.
My computers! Those computers stored all my evil schemes!
Who needs evil schemes when you've got sweet dreams? In your brand new water bedroom!
I'm a Triceratops! We have 3 horns poking out of our heads! We hate waterbeds!
Don't worry, we've thought of everything because we replaced your stairway with a water slide!
You what?
Woohoo!
Ah!
And last but not least, we've turned your lab experiments into flap flex experiments in your brand new weight room!
Tom, is that you?
What's up, Doc?
Look, I know you like dino dojos and weight gymnasiums, but I like more intellectual pursuits. Like evil schemes to take over Dino Island.
You're right. Threevesies.
I'm glad you understand.
That's why we've saved the best for last. A relaxing chemistry set hot tub.
Warmed by all these candles you had in the storage room.
Oh no!
I think he likes it.
He was certainly blown away by the results.
Smashers!
Skull boulders, look out!
Whoa! Quick reflexes, Red. Must be one of the old pirate traps.
Did you say pirate traps?
Yep, part of our pirate defense system. And what do we say about pirates?
Pirates are selfish and they smell like shellfish.
That's right, Microsmashers. Now let's get back to our nature hike. I'm gonna teach you important Smashers lessons, great Smashers philosophies, wise Smashers wisdom.
Is that a fort? Yay! Hey, look, Tiny Team! Check out these old ruins.
This was Captain Smashbeard's fort. He tried to take over Dino Island, but we dinos defeated him years ago.
We should rebuild this into a fort for the Microsmashers.
Not a bad idea. In fact, it's a good idea.
We'll call it Fort Too Short.
What a way to take something old and crusty and turn it into something new.
Smash!
And super job smashing, Greenie! Demolition comes naturally to you.
It's a place just for the pint-sized punks of Dino Island.
And you put it in plenty of pirate defenses too.
Do you really think the pirates will return?
After last time, Smashbeard will never come back.
Yarr! Yarr, I have to go back to Dino Island. But Captain Smashbeard, there's dinos on Dino Island. Yarr! I left a treasure trove of Smasher's eggs in the old fort. And I must have me Smasher's eggs. Yarr! Why don't they go build their own fort? Yarr! No matter. This'll be as easy as taking smash eggs from some babies. Yarr! Ah! Shiver me timbers! I surrender! Oh no! Curse you, tiny dinos! Ah!
Did you hear something? Look at these mather eggs we found! Yay!
Huh? The eggs! They're hatching!
Smashers!
Wow! I love this Robo-Blaster!
Initiate Project Easter.
Project Easter? What's that?
Project Easter is our state-of-the-art training program that will train you to be an expert with the Robo-Blaster.
Okay, but why is it Easter themed?
Because someone spilled coffee on the control panel, and now the program's stuck on Easter. Sorry. Survive the springtime shenanigans, and watch out for Easter-themed danger around every turn. La 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 la.
I've been Easter egged! April showers bring blaster powers! Whoa! What's with the shakeup?
Welp, the bunny moon's over.
Happy Easter!
Okay, Blaster, let's see what you can really do. Hop to it! Blast Tornado! Wow, this Blaster turned those chocolate bunnies into dust bunnies. Guess it's time for me to go further down the rabbit hole. What? Is this a trap?
Training complete. You are ready!
Whoa! We're going right now!
No time to waste! Save your friends! Defeat Dr. Threehorn! Good luck, Chomp! The fate of the galaxy is counting on you!
No pressure. Watch out, Threehorn! I'm on the attack!
Happy Easter from the Smashers!
Smashers! The Smasher eggs! They're hatching! Not this again.
More tiny smashers on Dino Island? But these dinos are different. We're the Smashers Juniors, the dinky dinos of Dino Island. But we're the small-size smashers of Dino Island. This island ain't big enough for the both of us.
Okay. This island's definitely big enough for two types of tiny troublemakers.
But we're the best. No, we are. We challenge you to a challenging challenge. Karaoke. Oh, it's on like my favorite song.
The rules of Karaoke are simple. 3 rounds of musical martial arts mayhem. Winner takes small. I mean all.
You're going down, Micros. No way, Juniors.
Round 1, beatboxing.
Ba-da-da-da. It's time for the horn section to play. Smash, roar, smash, roar, smash, roar, smash, roar, triple threat, smash. Get ready for the biggest little sound around, the Bronto beat. Boom, boom, smash, boom, slash. Boom, boom, smash, whippy, whippy, do it.
Bronto Jr. wins! Round 2, glass-shattering high notes.
Oops, excuse me.
Big sound from the undersea sonar singer. Mo wins. It's all tied up going into the final round of Karaoke. It's finally time for Rar Capella, the round where both groups of dinos have a dance-off to see who will be the best little beasties on Dino Island. I can't keep track of who's winning.
This is actually fun. You Micros are clawsome. You Juniors are dinorific.
Yeah! Sometimes competition can be fun.
Chomp, stop trying to teach us ancient dino wisdom. I have another challenge idea. Actually, 2 more. Me too. I have 5 more challenges. Let's do them all. More challenges! This is fun!
Uh-oh, here we go again.
Welcome to the Smashers Halloween Costume Contest. There's nothing these Magma Smashers love more than Halloween. So let's see which outfit can outfight their opponents. The winner of the costume contest will be chosen as the keeper of the Golden Smash Egg, the magical source of all power on Dino Island. First, we've got T-Rex, and it looks like the T stands for terrifying. He's Count Direxula, pointy vampire teeth and pointy dino teeth. That's fantastic. And next, we've got the other winner of the Red Hot Rumble. Spinosaurus is now Spidersaurus. Wow! With a costume like that, he could spin off his own web series. And over here we have 3, I don't know, shower curtains, bed sheets, wig ghosts. Ghosts! Nah, Rex, they're not really ghosts. But who's underneath the sheets? Oh, who, us? Oh, we're just normal magma smashers like you guys. Now, we gotta go drink some lava, whatever. Deer Frosted? Chili Mammoth and Winter Wolf? It seems we have some Ice Age Smashers Party Crashers. These frozen foes will do anything to make the Magma Smashers steam. Okay, you lava losers, you figured us out. But not before we swapped your golden smash egg. No! Give it back! No can do, Dino Dimwits. The egg is ours. Wait, spiders don't chase flies. Dear Frosted, get the egg! I've got this. You can count on Dracula. What is T-Rex doing with his vampire fangs? He's made a fang-o-rang! Yes! No! So long, crispy critters! After him, dinos! If the Ice Age Smashers have the golden smash egg, that's bad news for Dino Island. Can the dinos return the egg in time? What are the Ice Age Smashers planning? Find out next time. You are now entering level 3 of the Smashers Red Hot Rumble, where our heroes Spinosaurus and T-Rex must work together to fight off volcanic villains and level up their Smash XP. Let's see what Mount Hothead has in store for them today. In this challenge, Spino and T-Rex have to scavenge for smash eggs by jumping rock to rock in a raging, roasting river. They'll be competing against the dangerous duo of Burnt Bronto and Red Hot Raptor. It's dinos versus dinos. Collect the most and make it to the other side to win. Players ready, set, go! Spino takes on the wobbly wedge, while T-Rex and Raptor tussle over the stepping stones. And Bronto is, well, he's a bit big for this competition. But maybe his size will be an advantage. No, I was wrong. I was very wrong. Bronto is burnt. However, his teammate Raptor seems to be outpacing the others by quite a bit. What's this? Another dinosaur has entered the arena! It's Pyrodactyl! Hey, T-Rex, need a lift? T-Rex is getting a free ride to the finish! Eat lava, turkey legs! But oh no! Pyrodactyl dropped him! It was all a trick! Spino smashes a burnt tree and saves T-Rex from a fiery end. Yes! All the smash eggs will be mine! My smash XP will be off the charts! I'll become so powerful no one can defeat me! And then I'll become the king of the smashers! All hail King Pyrodactyl! I'll get you, dinos! T-Rex and Spino have done it! They've defeated the lava river and their new nemesis, Pyrodactyl! For now, that is. Yeah! Thanks for watching! Join us next time to find out what's happened to Spino and T-Rex. We've completely lost it on the Red Hot Rumble! Attention! Listen up, you braised bums! You've been enlisted into the next level of the Red Hot Rumble. Our heroes Spinosaurus and T-Rex have stepped from the sizzling sewer tubes into the heat of battle. Laser battle, that is. Arm up, you tiny armed wimps, because it's time for a challenge we call Blazer Tag. The Blazer Tag level is a blaster level. Spino and T-Rex must defeat their opponents to win Smash XP, or go down in a blaze of glory. And Spinosaurus and T-Rex are already catching heavy fire from their frozen foes, the Scorchers. A team of elite warriors who outlasted the Ice Age. Introducing Magma Mammoth, Firetooth, and Flaming Caveman. Get your Blaze Blasters ready! Spino takes the tactical approach. He's deflecting the laser blasts with a shiny obsidian rock shield. Well, T-Rex runs in slow-mo to look like a cool action hero. Terrible plan, T-Rex. He's racked up huge points for the other team.
Sorry.
Spino and T-Rex can't let their Blazer Bar drop to 0 or they'll be out of the game. They've got Caveman surrounded. A double blast! Caveman is out! And by out, I mean blasted out of the game into a fizzing ocean of terrifying slime monsters. Sneak attack! Spino is hit from behind! Looks like Firetooth is hiding somewhere up above. Spino can't get a clean blasted Firetooth. But Spino zaps the rocks above. Avalanche! Firetooth is out in the fizz and out of the game! Now Magma Mammoth is the last of the Scorchers standing. It's the final showdown between fire and ice. T-Rex versus Mammoth. T-Rex has unlocked something new. He's charging up his bones with glowing light-up DNA power. Direct hit! It's game over for Mammoth! And a close shave for T-Rex. The dinos did it! They've put those Ice Age baddies on ice. Whoa! Hold up, dinos! You've reached the crater of Mount Hothead. What's going on? Oh no! The volcano's going to blow! But our game must carry on! Next time on the Red Hot Rumble!
Smashers! I have a new scheme to defeat Chomp and those pesky Smashers!
Oh, what is it, boss?
You know what they always say. If you can't beat 'em, clone 'em. I'll clone my own versions of all the Smashers. Then they'll work for me.
They're hatching.
They are tiny.
Mama?
No, no, no! What could have gone wrong? Did you put in the right concoction of ingredients, Mosquito?
Yeah, everything Smashes are made of. You know, dino chromosomes, Smashes slime, the dynamite, cookie dough, old battery acid, and piranha DNA.
Piranha DNA? I said Dino DNA! That means they've been spliced with piranha! It's that tiny little fish with the mega appetite!
They sure seem hungry.
Yeah. No pirates, no aliens, no zombies, no one attacking Dino Island at all. What in the tiny terrors? Yikes! There's a Mosasaurus one too!
Ow, 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 stop it! Lady, baby! Ow! Oh, ow! Ouch!
That's it! I'm putting my foot down! Chop Stomp!
Stop!
Oh, you like that one? How about this one? Tail Whip!
Tail whip!
Yeah, you're getting it! Dino Smash!
Dino smash!
Yeah! Oh, you guys are all right. I'm gonna call you Mo.
Mo!
And you? Red.
Red!
And you two, Herman, no, Randy, no, Mortimer. I'll come up with it later. Welcome to the Smashers family, Microsmashers. I'm gonna teach you the great Smashers philosophies, important Smashers lessons, wise Smashers wisdom.
Smash?
But for now, let's just smash stuff! Smashers! I can't believe that mysterious Smasher and the monster train tried to steal our trucks!
And right before the big final competition, Monster Truck Mayhem.
Seems like someone wanted us out of the competition.
Then that's exactly where we're going. Smashers, to the Smashodrome!
Welcome, Smashers, to the Smashodrome! It's time for the Grand Championship of the Smashers Monster Motor League, the Monster Truck Mayhem!
That's right, Roadkill Rat. Let's meet our final monster trucks.
Backflipping over the other competitors, it's Trump T-Rex in the Regosaurus Rex!
I never lose, except sometimes!
Spinning in like a typhoon, it's Tooth Masher in the Sharkbot Express!
I also never lose.
And finally, the really scary skeleton with a killer cartwheel! It's P.T. Thunderbolts in Skeletron!
I also never ever lose. Not even once.
Well, that's not all accurate. Let's meet our fourth and final truck. The mysterious monster train driven by Trophus and Turmoil.
Trophus and Turmoil? You tried to steal our trucks?
These guys are the worst.
Let the Monster Truck Mayhem begin!
You think you can defeat me? I am an actual trophy. I always win.
We all think we win every time, but that's not statistically possible.
I'm gonna hit you like nail, Hammerhead.
Hey, I'm a great white. Oh! Ah!
You Smashers think you're so tough, but I work smarter, not harder. We think dumber and more funner. What? It doesn't even make sense. Your butt doesn't make sense. How do you sit on your brain? Ah! You're giving me a headache. We gotta use our greatest monster truck powers to defeat this monster.
Come to me, my legion of undead gearheads! My haunted horde of horror calls you!
Hey, you brain-dead brain eaters! Taste my anti-zombie scare bags!
I call on the typhoons of the seas, the army of sharks, octopi, scary and all the marine monsters!
Yeah, have fun sewer surfing.
All the dino drivers, monster truck monsters since the dawn of time! Dino Destructo Devastato Demolition!
Yeah, where's Chomp?
Chomp! Don't mind if I do.
My counterattack!
That's all you got?
Chomp wins!
And the entire stadium's been turned into a parking lot.
But don't worry, folks. Once we rebuild the entire arena, we'll be back for more Smashers Monster Truck Mayhem!
Yeah! Let's go, Smashers! Smashers! This map makes no sense.
We went 37 paces toward Mount Hothead, 45 paces toward the rock that looks like a mustache.
And now we're on the Shark Bay Beach. But it says we need to walk 300 steps that way.
I don't see any treasure chest.
Whoa! Come on, guys. We need to find the 3 cursed treasure chests to protect Dino Island from these dark magic burps.
Well, let's go then. 300 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Steggle's so stubborn that we're gonna walk all the way to it. 297, 298, 299.
Halt, strangers! You have entered the kingdom of King Mako!
Hello, Your Majesty. See your deepness?
Why have you brought land dinos to our reef? Ugh.
jelly soldiers! Ugh! Seize them! It's like being hugged by a sneeze!
No, sire! We came in search of...
You're searching for a place to dump your junk, aren't you? What? You dinos and your battles! You never care about what junk lands in the sea. Sunken pirate ships, toxic waste barrels, exploding robot parts, busted monster trucks. Even skeletons! I've had that stuck in my throat for a week. It all floats down here.
You're right. It's about time we took our junk back. Let's get to it, Smashers!
Was that a refrigerator?
That's all of it.
With our powers combined, we can dispose of this junk properly. In space!
Space junk detected! Space junk eradicated!
One more piece of junk for you to take.
The treasure chest?
Yeah, we don't have any use for any of that golden gems. Boring!
Thanks, King Mako. And we'll be more careful about what ends up in the ocean.
Look at the treasure!
If you look after the Earth, it'll look after you.
Ugh.
2 more treasure chests to go! Yeah!
Blech. Smashers!
Whoa! What is this place? Some kind of breakfast nightmare?
We are extraterrestrials!
You eggs think you can attack my friends? Get ready to be scrambled.
Well, we come in peace. Dr. Three-Horn is our enemy too. I am Yoki, and he is known as Bakak. We're friends.
Ugh, stay back. It's like being inside of a booger.
You're the one called You must become our champion. Champion! We must attach the Robo Blaster to you. You must become a Robosaurus.
Hey, no! I don't know what you Yoki jokers are selling, but this dino's not going over easy. Let me go! Hey, no!
Wait! We'll explain our elaborate backstory so you'll know why it is important for you to become our champion.
I don't have the attention span for that.
It will only take 4 Earth hours to explain. Thousands of years ago, the Great Chicken crossed the galaxy. He's asleep.
No, I'm awake. Please go on with your boring backstory.
During the First Galactic Congress, there were 14 senators from Bloop, Noodlebro, Flurgan 7, Cleveland, and that is why we came to Dino Island. You are the only dino who can defeat Dr. Three-Horn.
I was definitely awake for that. One question, why'd the chicken cross the galaxy?
To get to the other side, obviously. He's escaped.
I gotta get off this weirdo egg ship before I crack up. Yeah, that's an idea. I just gotta break out of my shell.
You must use the Robo Blaster to defeat Dr. Three-Horn. We're too wimpy to do it ourselves. Help us, chump. You're our only hope.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll be the Robosaurus. Whoa! This tech is awesome! Let's scramble some space dino!
T-Rex!
Dino Island is mine! The only problem I have left is that pesky chump T-Rex. Let's see what happens when he has to battle his brainwashed friends. Send out the Cybersmashers!
Okay, it's all up to me. I'll climb up Mount Hothead and destroy the Battle Fang. Huh? What was that? Yeah. Who's there? Oh, what is that? Oh, gross.
Say cheese! Lizard breath!
Roasted rat! What happened to you?
Does not compute.
That's not good. Did Dr. Three-Horn brainwash you?
All hail, Dr. Three-Horn!
Take that as a yes.
You may have been upgraded by those silly egg aliens, but I've got my own better cheddar cheese chucker.
Rat, let me try and help you.
Eat moldy mozzarella, reptile.
I'm covered in a cloud of toxic, smelly cheese. It's a maze of cheese tunnels. I'll never catch a rat in here.
That's right, Chomp. And my cheese tunnels are filled with the tastiest traps.
That cheddar was sharp. Whoa! I'm greater than your grater.
Garganzolad!
I've got some cheese for you, Rat. Swiss cheese.
Ah!
Swiss cheese. Get it? Because it's the one with the holes.
Uh-oh! This isn't Gouda!
Maybe this'll do the trick.
Chomp, where am I?
Roasted rat! Is that you?
Dr. Three-Horn is a jerk.
You're back!
Dr. Three-Horn brainwashed all of us with his tritenas.
Come on, Rat. Let's go save our friends. We're the Gouda guys.
Welcome to Camp Crud for Smashers Gross Out Grand Smash Final! It's a battle of the body parts between the heroic honker Runny Nose and the pus-filled pupil Eyesore. But first, let's look back at how our gross smashers got here. Challenge! Our smashers must race through the foul forest and grab the gross flag! Now, smashers ready! Runny Nose gets a smashing start, but Eyesore is not going anywhere! Runny Nose gets to the gross flag! He grabs it! But now, he needs a fast escape! Runny Nose gets smashed into a snot pancake! And now, it's an eye for an eye! majestic landing. Eyesore wins and becomes a Grand Smash Gross Out champion. Eyesore, how does it feel to win?
Very emotional.
That's all from Camp Crud for this season. Thanks to all our Smashers and to our fans. Stay smashed!
Hey, Slimeball, have you seen the Rechosaurus Rex? Slimeball, where is everybody? It's time to go trick-or-treating. Oh, there you are, Rex. Let's go. The Aqua Arena is giving out full-sized candy bars for every car we smash. Rex?
Eat tire tread, Dino Driver!
No! Hey! Rex, you almost ran me over.
That's the plan, you prehistoric bum!
Yeah! What? Skeletruck? And the Sharkbite Express? But where are all the drivers?
Destroying all drivers! Destroying all drivers!
Tom! Down here, quick!
Ah! The trucks! They're possessed! How?
We've crushed so many cars over the years, and now the evil spirits of those junkers have come for revenge. There's nothing we can do! Ah!
Destroying all drivers! Destroying all drivers!
Ah!
Chomp! You're awake! That was some wild nightmare you were having!
What? It was all a nightmare? Oh, phew.
Yeah, come on! Let's go trick-or-treating! The Aqua Arena's giving out full-sized chocolate bars for every car we smash!
Oh, good. I love smashing cars.
Happy Halloween from the Smashers!
I see you. He's found us! Run!
Smashers!
Ye be back for more, I see. We return to Snarl and Thud, who are trapped in the spooky underground slime caves. Here be a ghostly tale of the mysterious treasures that lie in the belly of Dino Island. Phew, what lies inside my belly? Ah, do you think we lost Titan? There's no way that blustering bag of bones could have followed us. Whoa, this place looks like it was decorated by an insane eye doctor. These markings tell the ancient tale of Scolossus, the giant super smasher. I don't believe in all those old ghost stories. They just tell them to frighten little smashers. It's all true. A giant super smasher called Scolossus once ruled Dino Island. I see you. Who dares enter the shrine of the evil eye? It's Snarl and Thud. Are you pirates? We're definitely not pirates. We're dinosaurs. Good. You're more than meets the eye. Step forward. Many pirates search for eye. They only find doom. Yeah, pirates are the worst, right? I, and only I, can unlock the treasure chest of Great Scolossus. It contains the rare golden smasher skull. What are you doing? We can't let the pirates get their hands on this. We have to take the eyeball with us. So you're saying we've got to keep an eye on this eye? Ugh, eye roll. But yes, but beware, dinosaurs. You must never, ever... Never what? It's Titan! He's found us! Run! Oh no! So much power! I'm up to my eyeballs in magical power! Woo! We gotta go get that eyeball back! Well, that magical eyeball's a sight for sore eyes. Will the dinosaurs or the pirates find the glowing eyeball first? Find out next time on Smashers Dino Island.
Smashers!
Breaking news! Our dino heroes have made it to the frozen North Shore! But it seems like it may be too late. The frosty force of the Ice Age Smashers has almost frozen all of Dino Island. There it is. Fort Xmas! Now all we need to do is break into that frosty fortress full of traps, battle all the Ice Age Smashers, and escape back to Mount Hothead with the Golden Smash Egg.
Is that all? This should be easy.
Don't panic. I have a 17-part plan for our attack on. Wow! Another terrific twist! Those Tundra Tubes have the team trapped and, ho, ho, ho! Season's greetings. We interrupt this broadcast because the Ice Age Smashers are now in control. He's going to do the bad guy speech. I miss doing that. I am Chattertooth, leader of the Ice Age Smashers. But you can call me Smasher Claus. This year, Christmas has been canceled. We have the power of the Golden Smash Egg, and that means Dino Island, iced. The whole holiday season, iced. Even old Saint Nick, he's on ice.
Not Santa Claus! Chattertooth, you monster!
We'll never get to Mount Hothead. Maybe we don't have to. In those twisty tubes, I saw ancient Smashosaur skeletons. That means they're lava tubes.
If we break through that ice, we can jumpstart the volcano. But how? We're Magma Smashers.
We're gonna smash it!
Everyone work together. Let's put our bad breath to good use.
Here we go! Hold on tight! But Pyro, your wing's busted! I don't want to be a popsicle the rest of my life. Let's go! The egg, stop them!
With the glowing power of DNA, bombs away!
The doofus dinos just went extinct!
Is it hot up here? Or is it just me?
It's working! The fort's melting!
Winter's over! Surf's up!
When did they get a surfboard?
Ho, ho, ho!
Santa?
You're on the naughty list this year. The really naughty list.
And so Santa and the Magma Smashers sent the Ice Age Smashers to spend the holidays with their relatives.
Bye-bye, icebergers!
Who's hungry?
Tasty!
Yum, yum!
And that's how the Magma Smashers saved Christmas and Dino Island. Well, at least for the moment.
What's that off in the distance?
It's a ship. Pirates?
Are you kidding me?
Pirates on Dino Island? I'm hooked. See you next season on Smashers. It seems like the dinos are doomed. Smashers! I'm Scorch Manley reporting live on the unfolding news story. Smashers Fire versus Ice. Chili Mammoth has stolen the Golden Smash Egg from the Magma Smashers. Now Spino and T-Rex are in hot pursuit. Let's watch what happens as they head into the wicked waters of the Crystal Slime Swamps. Chili Mammoth is getting away!
Look! Look! We can catch up to him through this shortcut!
Hey, dinos. This is a shortcut. Something seems odd, but okay. Keep your eyes peeled, Rex. The Crystal Slime Swamps are full of the bones of ancient Smasher. One wrong move and we could end up just like them. We're stuck! Oh, it's a trap! That's right, you fire-belching flops. Sub-Zero Mosquito! Sub-Zero Mosquito, known as the genius of meanness, is a cold-blooded schemer, and the dinos played right into his ambush. Now cower before my latest creation, the Zombie Zapper. What's this? The Zombie Zapper has raised an army of Smashosaur skeletons from the depths of the swamp. Hey, Numbskull, I got a bone to pick with you. I'm gonna make spare ribs out of you. Bon appetit. There's too many of these boneheads. We're trapped! It seems like the dinos are doomed! But what's that in the fog? A mysterious magma smasher?
Pyrodactyl! Yes, it is I, Pyrodactyl. And ever since I was dethroned in the Red Hot Rumble, I've been in exile.
We must save the Golden Smash Egg.
But Chili Mammoth is long gone, and we've never explored this side of Dino Island. I found a treasure map. It marks the way to the Ice Age Smasher's secret base, Fort Xmas.
So, what's in it for you, Pyro?
I've had a lot of time to work on myself during the exile. Maybe you can tell the other Magma Smashers that I'm a changed dino now.
I don't know, Pyro. You burnt a lot of bridges. And other stuff, too. Ow! Can the dinos trust their former enemy? Will they be lost in the inner island insanity? Find out next time on Smashers Fire vs. Ice!